Welcome to the HallBridge, a dedicated platform designed to automate all hall maintenance and operations. Students can easily request a seat by signing up with their name and student ID. The admin accepts the student by selecting a specific floor, room, and bed, then clicks the Allocate and Approve button. Once approved, the student receives a confirmation email sent directly to their student email address. When the student first logs in using their student email and the default password, they are automatically redirected to a password reset page. The student then changes their password by filling in the current password, new password, and confirm password fields. The student then lands on their personal student dashboard. The student can then view their personal information. He will be able to update his personal information and set a profile picture. A student can turn on his meal and save the section. He can also turn on a guest meal by filling in the name, student ID, phone number, and department. All this information will be available on the mess staff dashboard. A student can rate the meal and add a comment about it. Based on the voting results, the mess staff will update the meal menu. Student can request a gate pass by filling in the necessary information. Security can then approve this request. After approval, the student will be notified. Security can then view all other statuses of the gate pass. Security can also see the previous records of all students. If there is any technical issue, the student can send a maintenance request by filling in the category, priority, room number, description, and contact number. This will then be available on the maintenance staff dashboard, and the maintenance staff will work on it. Once the work begins, the student will be notified. The request will then move to an in-progress state, and once the work is finished, it will transition to a completed state. A student can also submit a laundry request, specifying the items to wash and adding any specific instructions. The request will then appear on the laundry staff dashboard. An admin can bulk allocate rooms by selecting a range of rooms and specifying amenities such as a fan, common bath, or Wi-Fi. He also can set any room to a maintenance state. The full system is controlled by the admin. He can change the hall name and view the total number of available rooms, students, staff members, and the overall occupancy rate. He can also change the monthly rent, maintenance fee, laundry charge, and Wi-Fi bill. He can also change the meal cutoff time, laundry pickup day, delivery after pickup duration, default gate pass duration, maximum gate pass days, bill generation time, and late fees. Admin can also configure which specific actions trigger notifications and which do not. All financial information will be available in the admin section, where the admin can process bills, late fees. He can add expenses by filling out the description, category, amount, and vendor. He can sort all financial records by time frames such as this month, last month, or this year, and can directly pay the salary of a staff member.